In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images to Microsoft Copilot. By the end, you'll be able to attach a picture to your Copilot chat so it can help you analyze, explain, or brainstorm around what it sees. Start by opening your Copilot app. You can do this on your phone or your computer. Just launch the Copilot app you already have installed. If you haven't opened it in a while, it's a good idea to update to the latest version so the attachment options appear as expected. A stable internet connection also helps avoid any hiccups while uploading. Next, make sure you're signed in. Look for your profile picture or initials in the corner of the app. If you see an option to sign in, use your Microsoft account, personal, work, or school. Being signed in ensures your chat history and uploads are handled correctly and that Copilot can process the image. If you switch accounts, give the app a moment to refresh before continuing. Once you're in, open a new chat. In the message area, find the plus icon near where you type. On mobile, it's typically beside the text field at the bottom. On desktop, it's usually just to the left or right of the prompt bar. If the window is very narrow, expand it so the plus icon becomes visible. This plus button is what lets you attach content to your message. Tap or click the plus icon, then choose Add a file or image. A file picker will open, allowing you to browse to the picture you want. Select the image from your device or your file browser and confirm. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well, and keeping file sizes moderate helps the upload go faster. If the app asks for permission to access photos or files, approve it so the image can be attached. Before you send, glance at the preview to make sure it's the right image and that it doesn't include anything private you don't want to share. If it's a screenshot, consider cropping out sensitive details first. With the image attached, type a short message describing what you want Copilot to do, anything from summarize this chart to identify objects in this photo. If the upload ever fails, check your sign-in status, verify your connection, and try a smaller image. That's all there is to it. Open the Copilot app, sign in, open a chat, and hit the plus. Then add your file or image and choose the one you want. You're ready to put Copilot's vision to work.